to talk about a couple of research methods. Okay, so the first place to look is Amazon, because that's going to be the best place for it, really. So if you, I'll put the link in the PDF at the end. But if you put these words in, this will bring up all the merch by Amazon shirts. So if you was to target pugs or something like that, you're going to see all the shirts for those two search terms. Okay, so what you do is you click on them, and you want to look for the Amazon's best-selling rank. Okay, so ignore these numbers. This is the magic number you want. Okay, so in my opinion, you need to stay under 400,000. 400,000 is about maybe like one sale every 2 days. But once you've got 1,000 listings on Amazon, these all add up per month. It doesn't make BSR, Amazon bestseller rank, BSR. If it's 1,000, that means it sells like crazy. But you probably won't make any sales because there's going to be so much competition for a shirt that's a BSR of 1,000. So it's best to go a bit higher where there's less competition and there's more. There's a little bit of demand and there's not that much competition. So I'd say around about 80,000 to about 400,000 BSR is what you're going to look for. Okay, so you've got tools like Jungle Scout and Unicorn Smasher. I'll put these in the link. But as you can see, this is the special number you want to look at here. Okay. So, oops, let me back out of this. Let me go back to the results. So all these shirts, I press Jungle Scout. Let's give it a minute to load. So you can do a couple of pages here. Let's give it a minute. So you can go down the list and you'll see like a picture should pop up. I think it's because I'm recording the screen. You'll see a thumbnail of the picture as you go down the list. But anyway, you click on the rank. I'm just going to it's kind of slowing down because it's got so many results right now. I'm going to pause it and I'll be back in a second. Okay, welcome back. So here's the Amazon ranks of 3 million. That's not around, I remember I mentioned 400,000. So you click on the rank, and now it's that this means that these shirts are not sold yet. Only shirts with a rank will have sold. Okay, so you can filter all this out by so 80,000. 400,000. Filter results. So these are all the shirts. There you go. There's the thumbnail, so you can see these are good finds. Okay, so if you could make shirts that are equal or better, make sure you don't copy it, but make it a little bit different. But you can go here. You can try and make a superior design, try to make better keywords, and try to maybe offer more colors and stuff. So it's your job to try and one up this. So you've got all these designs here, so you can go, you can just keep going with this, and you can extract. So we could just put pugs, and we see all the normal stuff, but it's actually going to be Christmas now because it's so close to Christmas. Year of the Pug. It's Chinese New Year, that's a good idea. So you get the idea. Hope you enjoyed the video. Now you can check out some of my products, which is merchautopilot.com. Merch Autopilot is a blueprint to help you with the outsourcing process. So when things get a bit hectic for you, you can go back to having a life again. My next product is merchcomplete.com. It's a pre-made design factory, so it's going to be optimized, trademark checked. So check it out and click in the description below for a free sample.